This is Village Auto's 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ 4-wheel drive. Very sharp local trade. Give their rear defrost, rear park assist sensors, tow package, tonneau cover, bed liner, 20-inch alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires, privacy glass. Very sharp, well-maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.3-liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Incredible deal for only $10,880. Let's get inside here for you. You do have the full power options, full leather interior, dual power front seats, heated front leather seats, custom Pioneer touchscreen radio, dual automatic climate control, power moonroof, home link, OnStar. All together very clean, very well maintained truck. You also have the steering wheel audio controls, electronic 4-wheel drive switch with auto feature. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ 4-wheel drive home with you today.